This capo is on the 5th fret. And the chords we will use will be C chord. After that, try not to move that finger. Bring your second finger up one string to the 5th string, 2nd fret. Now, and I'm using my little finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, but you could use your 3rd finger if you want to. Today it's easier to use your 3rd finger, but long term I would recommend using your little finger because you're serious about learning guitar. And after that, you will have an A minor, again, not moving this finger, but then you will lift this finger for part of the A minor. That's your full sequence. So without moving the 2nd finger, we're going to go back to C to repeat all of this. C, 2nd chord, move the 2nd finger up one, take off the 3rd, and add the little. This hasn't moved. To A minor, then the 1st finger off just for the last note of that, and you change to C and start again. C, this is a G with a B, A minor, 1st finger off. The first one, C chord, I'm going to use my 2nd finger and my thumb. I'm going to pinch. Then thumb off the 4th finger. 1st finger off the 3rd string. And then my 2nd finger is going to pinch the 1st. But I'm stopping this, I'm not letting it ring. I'm stopping it with my 1st finger on my chord hand. I'm just bending it down to stop that sound so that I get that sound. And then we will change to the 2nd chord. We will do the same finger style, except that your 2nd finger is coming up to the 2nd string. So you're going to pinch the 5th and 2nd. Then the 4th string, 3rd, and the 2nd finger, you're going to use vamp it on the other side with either your little or your 3rd, depending on which finger you used. And I'm going to try and get you both of these fingers on screen as well at the same time to help you with that. After that, A minor, pinch again, thumb off the 4th, 1st finger off the 3rd. Then you're picking the 2nd finger, but I took the 1st finger off the A minor and back to the 1st to get that little sequence of notes he has at the end, which like that. Sorry, got it a little bit wrong. There, yeah. So the A minor, you pinch the 5th and 2nd, 4th string with the thumb. 2nd finger picks the 2nd string, but now my 1st finger is off the A minor to have an open, and then the 3rd. And to make that fit to the song, he plays the C part of it twice, the 2nd chord, which is a type of G chord, once, and the A minor type chord once. I'll do it slowly if I can. This once, this once, and starts again. So you can hear the song. It's the same sequence of notes, but played differently. Here it is with the song.